not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. Now I've launched a giveaway for valuable subscribers. Amazon free gift cards will be given to 2 lucky winners. We'll announce the first winner today itself in the evening. So you still have time to participate in the giveaway. It doesn't even take 1 minute to complete the 5 given instructions. Who is appointed as a new interim governor for the RBI? N.S. Vishwanathan, Urjit Patel, Ranjit Sinha or Kiran Kumar? The answer is A. N.S. Vishwanathan has been appointed as a new interim governor for the RBI, as Urjit Ravindra Patel, an Indian economist who served as the 24th governor of the RBI, resigns on Monday. Now, Urjit Patel is the 5th RBI governor in Free India to resign. Benegal Rao was the first RBI governor to resign. So remember all these points, and Urjit Patel had strongly argued with the government for the RBI's autonomy. London court orders which of the following person to be extradited to India? Vijay Mallya, Mehul Choksi, Nirav Modi or Lalit Modi? The answer is A. Vijay Mallya. London court orders the extradition of Vijay Mallya. Now he took loans from many Indian banks. He has almost debts of 9,000 crores to be repaid. Now Vijay Mallya flees to London in 2016 when banks approached him to repay all the loans. The Kingfisher Airlines, established in 2005, was a major business venture launched by Vijay Mallya. London court observes evidences related to fraud and money laundering charges on him and the Kingfisher Airlines. Earlier, James Mitchell, who was involved as a middleman in Augusta Westland case, was brought to India, and now extradition of Vijay Mallya is in process. Which country became the first team from Asia to win tests in South Africa, England and Australia in the same calendar year? Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh or India? The answer is D. India. Now India became the first team from Asia to win the test series in South Africa, England and Australia in the same calendar year. Beating Australians on Australian soil is a very difficult thing, but Indian team made a history winning the first Adelaide test. Virat Kohli becomes the first Indian captain to win the opening test of the series in Australia. Now over the last 35 years, this is a third win in Australia for India after winning the Perth test in 2008 and Adelaide in 2003. What is the name of the book launched by the ex-chief economic advisor Arvind Subramanian? Off Council, The Challenges of Modi-Jaitley Economy, Demonetization, a Draconian, GST, an Example of Cooperative Federalism. The answer is A. Off Council, The Challenges of the Modi-Jaitley Economy. Arvind Subramanian is an Indian economist and the former chief economic advisor to the government of India. Now, recently we have discussed Krishnamurthy Subramanian was the newly appointed Chief Economic Advisor. Now, Arvind Subramanian was formerly an economist at the International Monetary Fund. He is a widely cited expert on the economics of India. Now, he termed demonetization as draconian and GST as an example of cooperative federalism. So, all these words said by Arvind Subramanian, and remember his book Off Council, The Challenges of the Modi-Jaitley Economy. In which state is the Kaigan nuclear power station located? Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu or Telangana? The answer is B. Karnataka. Very important from exam point of view, you need to remember all the nuclear power stations located across the country. Kaigan nuclear power plant, which is in Karnataka, created the world record. It operates uninterruptedly for the 941 days and breaks the earlier record of 940 days by the Hashim plant, which is in United Kingdom. So remember, Kaiga plant is in Karnataka. What is the name of the bilateral maritime exercise between India and Russia? Indra, Varuna, Shakti or Brahma? The answer is A. Indra. These kind of questions appear in exams. You need to remember all the bilateral maritime exercises, Air Force exercises and the military exercises, very important from exam point of view. Indra Navy 18 is the ongoing maritime exercise between Indian Navy and Russian Federation Navy. Now, first of the four Admiral Gregorovich class guided missile stealth frigates likely to be inducted into Indian Navy. First two will be built in Russia and the next two in Goa in coming 3 years. So remember, Gregorovich class guided missile stealth frigates operated by both Indian Navy and the Russian Navy. On 10th December 1955, which of the following dam construction had begun? Srisailam Dam, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Tehri Dam or Hirakud Dam? The answer is B. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, very important. It is one of the world's largest and tallest masonry dam built across the river Krishna, which is in Nalgonda district of Telangana state. Now, the project was officially inaugurated by the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru in the year 1955 and the project was completed in the year 1967, almost after 12 years. The reservoir water was released into the left and right bank canals by the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Recently, there was a question regarding Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, which was built across which river? So, remember the Krishna river, very important. Let's see the question for the day. Identify the wrongly matched pair. I have mentioned here the political parties along with their established years. Indian National Congress established in 1885, Communist Party of India 1925, Bharatiya Janata Party 1980 and Telangana Rashtriya Samiti 2002. So mention your answers in the comment section. I gave you this question because election results for 5 states have been declared today on December 11th. Now all over India there's election fever going on, so you must have minimum idea of political parties and their established years. Now the answer for yesterday's question, India scripts history beats Australia after 10 years in which of the following test, is the option B. Adelaide, as rightly answered by few people in the comment section like Rasib Murad, Status 32nd, Sushil Kumar, Afzalur Rahman. Thank you all guys for following my videos and do participate in the giveaway. Let's see the quote for the day. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work, said by famous Thomas Alva Edison. Now, he had many unsuccessful attempts in inventing the light bulb. When someone asked him how did it feel to fail 1,000 times, then Edison replied, I didn't fail 1,000 times, but the light bulb was invention with 1,000 steps. So they didn't give up any time in their failures. So learn to face the failures in your life. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.